this is Emmy the Color Queen, and I'm here to show you how I do my Pidge makeup. I started out with putting on primer, and now we are doing foundation.
Next level.
After the foundation is blended in, I add concealer under my eyes to cover up my eye bags. Blend it out. After that, I use powder to set everything in place.
Next level.
I prime my eyes. And then I set it with powder again. Now on to contouring. I usually contour my nose to make it a little more button-like, and then I contour my cheeks and the bottom of my lip. Next, I highlight the tip of my nose, the bridge of my nose, and the tops of my cheekbones, as well as my Cupid's bow. Next, I take a glowy blush and put it on the apples of my cheeks. Next is Pidge's eyebrows. Now hers are usually pretty thick and short. Unfortunately, that doesn't look good with my face shape, and so instead I just take a dark brown and make the inner corner thick and the outer corner thin. Next is eyeshadow. Usually I start with a sparkly base and put it all over my lid, including the brow bone. Then I put that same dark brown shade that I used for my eyebrows into the crease and blend it out. Next, I use a bronzy shade and put it right on the lid.
Next level.
Going back in with that same dark brown eyeshadow, I put it under my eye just to line it a little bit and make my eyes look a little bit bigger like Pidge. Next, I take a dark brown eyeliner and put it halfway through my waterline, and the other half is going to be a nude liner. Then I tight line with a black liner. Then I use liquid liner to get that little wing that Pidge has on her eyes. Here's the nude liner clip. As you can see, just put it halfway through. Now I curl my lashes and then add mascara. Lipstick time. I do a nude liner just all the way around my lips, and then I use a nude lipstick to just top everything off. I set my face and then I'm done. I just put on my wig and my glasses.
Next
I
level.
hope this tutorial helped you out, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye, loves!